Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can download FreeFire on your PC, alright? So FreeFire is a game which is only available for Android. So in order to play FreeFire on your PC, you need to first install the emulator. So as you guys can see, this is BlueStack emulator, and in order to install it, you can just go to your search engine or Google Chrome and search for BlueStacks. And then you want to click on where it says download BlueStacks over here, and once you click on it, it's gonna take you to the download page. And once you're over here on the download page, click on download BlueStacks 5 and it'll start to download and install. Once it downloads, make sure to install it. After you install it, open up BlueStack like this. If you don't know how to use BlueStack, we have made a video on how to use BlueStack on our channel One to Step. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on in order to get notified for future videos just like this. Alright, now once you open BlueStack over here, you want to go on Play Store, and in order to use Play Store, first you need to log in into your Google Play account. But if you guys have already logged in into a Google Play account on your BlueStack, then it's gonna open up like this, and over here on search, just write FreeFire. And once you search for FreeFire, the game is gonna be shown over here. Now just click on install, and it's gonna start to install, and wait for some time until it completely downloads so you can open and play, FreeFire. So the download speed completely depends on your internet. It might be fast, it might be slow, right? But once it installs, like its icon is going to be available over here on your home screen, you can just click on the FreeFire icon and it'll open up and you can start playing FreeFire. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can play FreeFire on your PC. And yeah, you don't have to use BlueStack emulator. There's other emulator like Game Loop and more, alright? But I find BlueStack easy, that's why I like to use this. But if you find other emulators easy, then you can use that, alright? You don't have to use BlueStack, it's not compulsory. So hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. And I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.